Hi, it's Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. I'm inside one of my corporate units and I am doing a little bit of upgrading. I'm adding this digital lock here, right there. And this is some of the cords I'm about to do. The front of it looks like this. You can see that. I get them for about 60 bucks on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. But what I wanted to show you was that I add a little bit of this thread lock material to when I'm mounting this to the door, to the threads that go right into the door to keep the handle from getting loose. Sometimes as the door closes, the vibrations cause the doorknob to get loose over time, and that leads to a bad experience. So adding a little bit of thread lock, it costs like $4 at your hardware store, is a great investment. It's a little extra thing that you can do that saves you time in the long run and helps you increase your profits and get better reviews. So these are the types of things that we talk about in my course, Airbnb for Landlords. And if you're interested in extended stays, I mean people staying with you for 2 months to 6 months at a time, which I think is way more efficient than doing overnight Airbnbs, then check out my course. Lots of more tips. Okay, till next time.